Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my Arabic learners. Now, welcome to another part of Learn Arabic. Inshallah, in today's video, in this very short video, we are going to be having some Arabic conversation, some Arabic expression. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, share, and make comments. Now, we have Ladayja. That's what's Ladayja. Ladayja, it means what? Half. That is to have Ladayja. Ladayja. It means half. Now, how do you say? Now, how do you say? Do you have a book? How do you say? Do you have a book? Now you say, Hal ladayka kitab. Hal ladayka. Hal ladayka kitab. That is what? Do you have book? Do you have a book? Hal ladayka kitab. That is do you have a book? Now, kaf, that is for the feminine, that is for the masculine, rather, that's for the masculine. Because of this kaf, ladaika, that's a kaf. Now, for the feminine, you say, hal ladaiki kitab. That is what? Hal ladaiki. Hal ladaiki. Hal ladaiki kitab. And this what? Do you have a book? That's what? That is for the masculine. That's for the feminine, rather. Sorry, feminine. Hal ladaiki kitab. That's do you have a book? Hal ladaiki kitab. That do you have a book? Now, that is and that is for the mufrad. We say it is for the mufrad. That is for the singular. For a singular or for the singular. That's for the singular. That's for the what? That's for the singular. Ladaika, that's what ladaika. Do you have a book? Hal ladaika kitab, do you have a book? Hal ladaiki kitab, do you have a book? Ladaiki, ladaika. For the kaf, for the masculine, the kaf, you are going to what? You are going to put fatha on top of what? On top of this kaf. But it is for the feminine, you are going to put kesra at the down of what? At the down of this kaf. That's what for the ladaiki. That's for the feminine. That is for the female. You are referring to what? To a female. Now, okay, for two people now. Now for singular now. Now for two people now. That is for hal ladaykuma kitab. Hal ladaykuma hal ladaykuma kitab. That is what? Do you have that kitab? That do you have a book? You are referring to people. That's do you have a book? That's what you are referring to a what? And you have hal ladaykuma kitab. Do you have a book? Hal ladaykuma kitab. That is you are referring to what? You are referring to two people. Okay, and then with this kitab, it is going to what? Kitabani. Kitabani. That hal ladaykuma kitabani. Both of you are referring to two people. That do you both have a book? That is two book. Do you both have two book? That's do you have two books? That is for the that's for the what? That is for the doubled. Now you say doubled. That's for the musanna. Doubled. Now that's for the what? That is for the musanna. Now that's for the doubled. Now, how do you say you have books? You are referring to two people. You are referring to plural. That's plural. Now let's use the plural. That's what that ladaykuma. You say ladaykuma kutub. That is you have books. Ladaykuma. Ladaykum. When we say kum, that is what? That is plural, and the plural start from what? From two, according to what the scholars say. This the plural start from two upwards. That's hal ladaykum. That's hal ladaykum. Hal ladaykum kutub. That is what? Do you have books? That's for the what? That is for the plural. That's for the what? That is for the plural. This is for the what? This is for the double muthanna. Why this is for what? This is both. They are for the mufrad, which is what? Which is a singular. Now, so now, how do you say you have a book in Arabic, but referring to a female? You have a book. You say ladayki kitab. That's going to be what? Ladayki kitab. That's all. Ladayki kitab. That's ladayki kitab. That is what you have books. You have book. That's for the what? That is for the feminine. Now, ladayki kitab. Now, how do you say? Okay, how do you refer to two people? For two people, how do you refer to two people? You say ladaykuma kitabani. That's all. Ladaykuma kitabani. That is what? You have what? You have two books. That is referring to what? Referring to two people. Ladaykuma kitabani. That is ladaykuma kitabani. Now, ladaykuma. This kuma now, we can use it for male as well. That is ladaykuma kitabani. That's what ladaykuma kitabani. That's also, we can use ladaykum. That's both of you. We can revert this to female, and also we can also revert this to what? To the masculine. Now, you have books. How do you say this in Arabic? You have books that is referring to female. You say ladaykunna. That's what ladaykunna. That's what ladaykunna. Ladaykunna kutub. Ladaykunna kutub. That is, you all have books. You all have what? Books. Ladaykunna. That is what? That is the jamu referring to females, a lot of females, and that is the jamu for females. That's ladaykunna referring to them. But for the masculine, it's going to be what? Ladaykum. That is what? Ladaykum. That's for the masculine. Ladaykum kutub. Ladaykum kutub. Ladaykunna kutub. That's for the what? That's for the feminine. Now, but for the masculine is what? Ladaykum kutub. That's for the masculine. That is kutub. That's the plural of what? Of kitab. Kitabani. Now, that's what? Kitab. Kitab. We have kitabani. Then that's for the double. That is muthanna. Now, for the jamu, it is going to be what? Kutub. That's what? Kutub. That is kutub. Books started from 2 to 3 upward. According to what the scholars say, they say the plural start from what? It starts from 2. That's what the scholars say. So thanks for watching the video. See me in my next video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.